Okay, we are back. New day, new me, new day, new trading day, new everything, not breaking our rules, following the rules. Alright, we are Gucci. Let's get it. Go to the weekly time frame one more time. You might expect this low to get souped out. We already have our day out, we already have our key level, which is a daily key level, monthly right gap, a monthly 30 and a monthly rejection block. So good. Let's go to the daily time frame to get a more refined narrative. On the daily, we had our Monday as a range. This got really disrespected. So Monday is our range. We have this month. So Monday got soup. We could go for this as one of our targets. So for our Monday, what is our key level? Bearish, bullish. It's just a bunch of low resistance normal liquidity, right? For our Monday, our key level is this. And the weekly, we as well have this rejection block for that as well. So yeah, we could just do a refined entry just by putting the monthly in there. Uh-huh. Like a more refined entry for the monthly we already have our key level, which is the rejection block. For the daily, we have this weekly rejection block right over here. Uh-huh. So now just we got a daily. We go for an extended take profit. Our narrative buys is still bullish for the whole week. Bullish until 50% is met. As we're still in the CRT on the monthly, on the weekly time frame, since we're still in the CRT, I'm still bullish for the day. We did have this total super right over here. Let's just put it. Go to for the weekly to be a validated, we need an auto block, right? We need an auto block entry, as we had a 4-hour auto block entry here yet. 4-hour auto block entry, no yet, not yet. 4-hour auto block entry. No, we have not had a 4-hour auto block entry yet, so our weekly still not in the play yet. But let's see our news real quick. Let's see the Forex calendar. Let's see the Forex calendar. I've ordered my notes, but yeah, get it. Let me go read it. Let me see if there's any news here today. Because if there's news today, it could be. There's no news. Okay, the news already came out. The climate change for GP. Okay, so Here is total soup. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We're in a 4-hour. We're in a bigger range in a 4-hour time frame. Yes, we are. We broke this range, and we're in this range right over here to see if the market can respect it or disrespect this range that we're specifically in right now. We're in this bigger range, 4-hour time frame. So my goal for today, if I do take a trade, it would be probably here and over here to the daily. Eventually, just start from there. I wanna mark out this 4-hour as well, because this is I'm gonna take my trade based out of the timed range. So I need a total of at least. I would not be taking trades that are against my narrative. So my narrative is bullish for the week. I'm not gonna be taking any trades that go against my narrative. So yeah, let's see. That is the for that 4-hour for this 4 hours kind of. But yeah, the 50% mark of this already has been met, so I don't gotta mark out of that 50% mark. Just at 100%. But I still want to see it get respected or not. So let's go to the weekly time frame for this. We're still in this range right over here. We could be the same with this other range. But this range has been respected. So we could do inside bars, but overall we're still in this big ass range. Go to the monthly, see this hierarchy level. You have this auto block right over here. You see this here value gap right over here. He got failed. So the market a auto block failed a fair value gap. So this fair value gap and this other one. So this is our key level right over here. Our key level is this auto block because he failed it right. He just tapped it once right over here. You do have the weekly fair value gap, the key level. Look, this is more refined and better. Yeah, I already tapped it so many times. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Not 4-hour time frame. I mean, go to the daily to get it more refined. So on a daily time frame, we just soup out this low right over here, this bigger range. So that's going to be our goal. As we know, our weekly narrative is bullish. Our daily, we do have a daily CRT here. That Wednesday, and eventually got SMT was false, which I'm not going to be using SMT anymore. For SMT, I'm looking for the one that purges liquidity, right? Definitely, if SMT is there, sometimes I'll take it, sometimes I won't, right? But I want to be trading the pair that purges liquidity, mostly. There. 50% of this range, 100% of this bigger range. This bigger range, 100% should not be. This the 50% already got hit, right? But the range is still getting respected, so we're still looking for bullish movement. And we had our Monday as our range, but this is the overall. We had Monday as our range. Tuesday's between the first. Thursday, Wednesday is gonna be a smooth sailing to the upside. To me personally, I don't really know. I don't really care because of I'm not a predictor, right? I'm gonna react how the price gives me, right? It gives me. Over here in the daily time frame, you can see we have this daily over this Wednesday as our CRT. Our yesterday box was correct, right? For our EURUSD, we're bullish, right? Took us trade that was bullish, and our goal overall was fair to this 4 hour CRT high, which it landed, right? Essentially, I think what if you external take profit there? Yeah, I would not external take profit there because the daily closed below the CRT, so I would have not external take profit to anywhere else. Yeah, that's way too far. So yeah, we're just done solely over here. There's a daily as well. The daily's in play. Let's see how this kind of closes. I'm waiting for a time purge. I'm waiting for a CRT to get purged. And I'm waiting for a key level. Do we have ordered key level for our CRT? Go to the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, we do have our key level, which is you can see this is overall a whole key level, but you get this more refined, right? Key level right over there. Got a daily key level. Since we're not using the 4 hour, we're gonna use the daily. This 4 hour thing is way too far away. I'm not gonna scroll all the way there. Key level to be there, right? So okay, since we have a daily CRT for this for EU, we're disregarding this because they're disrespected. Now this one right over here. Go to the 4 hour time frame. Are we currently in a bigger range? Yes, we are, but the bigger range has not been hit yet. It has been total soup. So there has been a S&T here. So I'm looking to trade EU. We have this bigger range right over here. That one. So let's see how this range does it right over here because we are still in 50%. We have not hit our original goal. Okay. So I'm gonna mark out this. I want to see this one gets souped out or not. And for that, I might set my take profit to here because we have S&T. We have this is a 5 a.m. We have S&T here, so we basically take profit here. And as if for the daily CRT, we're not gonna extend our take profit to all the way over here. That's way too unrealistic for the market to go all the way here in a single day. So I'm gonna disregard this 3%. I'm just gonna deal with it. And for the 4 hour key level, which I just forgot about, doing this one we do, so we don't go to the daily time on our key level. We have the daily sweep of liquidity. We have this fine one. It's daily. That's the liquidity right over there. Already have our key level. But this one is we do get this back tap into right. If you get the right back tap into it, try to spurging the liquidity, it would be great. So for EU, what's our directional bias for the week? Our weekly narrative is still bullish because within this UST range, we have 48 to 50%. So yeah, this might be a lesson learned, but yeah, the 50% has already been met. And we could also say in a weekly time frame, we do have this other charity, the same thing as that, right? And we do have this. So yeah, for my weekly area, I'm bullish. So yeah, go for the to for that. Wait for it to this one doesn't have to do it because this one I see here, but we want to see a. We do have a monthly key level right over here, so this monthly key level gets saved. We could definitely look for a directional bias to the upside from here. For my static tech, probably going to be here because it looks like to be realistic. Let's go to the hourly time frame because we're gonna we're looking for the 8 a.m. candle to be CRT as well. So our 8 a.m. candle that's not aligned with the CRT low, so we're not looking for a 5 minute. We're not looking for a 5 minute CRT. We're looking for a 15 minute. No, not 5 minute CRT. We're looking for a 15 minute model one, not a 5 minute. Sometimes at this just like this market does go super this low and super this low together. Then we could look for a 5 minute, but I'm not going to do that because I like to have my CRT being in line together. Without that, I don't have to trade it right. I'm looking for a 15 minute model one instead of go to the A. Go to the EU. Look for the 8 a.m. candle being aligned with the CRT high CRT low. Does the 8 a.m. candle align with the CRT high or low? The 8 a.m. candle is not aligned with the high new. So not looking for that. So now what we're gonna do is scroll right back to the 4 hour time frame. Wait for a current auto flow and an hourly time frame as well. Breaking through highs, resisting through. We consider here the 8 a.m. candle might be the CRT here. We won't look for that. Okay, so it's no longer our range. That bitch right here. We have our daily key level, which is here. The following CRT high gets swooped out. I'm not looking to trade it because the way that my opposite CRT because that one goes against my I'm saying my bias. I'm taking that. We might see a Wednesday expansion or reversal. When did we have this purge of this liquidity right over here? Yeah, right at 5 a.m. which we had our purge of liquidity. Okay, that should be a time purge of blah, blah. Let me see the sounds are good. Purging. We do have an SMT here. It looks like it. All right, this is the CRT low. Looks like we have an SMT here. Actually, doesn't really mean special, anything special to me, but something. Native candle aligned with the low, so looking for a 5-minute model one here. I'm looking to trade the one that purchases liquidity. 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 I gotta wait till the 4 o'clock because this the 8 o'clock is not long. If GU purchased that liquidity, I'm looking to take that trade, man. Those are 15-minute time frame. They say that it's actually low. Yeah, at a 15-minute time frame, we are in this range right over here. We're in this range. Okay, let's see if that range gets respected or not. That is not the model one. Yeah, we don't have no entries for the 15-minute CRT yet. So I'm not gonna be trading this period. I mean, oh yeah, there's this is this. I mean, no, what I said. I'm not gonna be trading this low time CRT. I'm not gonna be. I'm not gonna be trading this low time CRT. I'm gonna let this 15-minute candle close. Then I'm gonna decide if I want to be trading this low time CRT or not. Because if it closes above it, I'm like, okay, this is a good thing to trade. I'm gonna look for a trade. If it doesn't close above it and close below it, I'm like, okay, that is not a thing we won't be looking for. And there's a legitimate low here too as well, so we're agreeing on that. We're good on the thing where we have a legitimate low over there, so we're good. So we can look for the low time on CRT. Yeah, it's not purged yet. We need a clear purge. Okay, we got a purge. Yeah. Okay, this looks like EU is not doing that, or GU is, so it's at 5 a.m., right? 4 o'clock, 5 a.m. CRT low, 5 a.m. CRT high. We're looking to go over here. On the daily, we're not looking to go anywhere, but these two, why we looking for this? Because they correlate SMT here. We could definitely extend our take profit to this range right over here. Low, high. We didn't have a purge of liquidity. Okay, we're green on that. Now let's go to the 5-minute time frame. 8 a.m. candle on the low, so the 5-minute time frame. So I'm looking for this to be the model 1 to enter the trade. Or the low time CRT. Depends on which one. Yeah, I'm just waiting for one of them to be called. Let's see if we can get one of them here. This goes with our narratives, which is bullish. So yeah. Let's see. Bearish, bullish. This is the candle up of the low. Are we all good or not? Right? Are we all good? Yes, we are. How are we all good? Because we already have our key level which is this right here, which already got tapped from this other one. I mean, if you want to do another tap into it, it would be great. If you don't want to do another tap into it, it doesn't have to be great, right? But we already have our key level. We could do that, or we could go back here. We have this bearish bullish rejection block, this order block, right? Rejection block as well. So we all are green. The reason we're all green is because very simple. The CRT already got souped already here, and the CRT is in the CRT is already playing in our role. Okay, this key level in the daily time frame is already playing in his role, so we're good. I do want to see a more leg down here. I want to see some more, but we do have SMT here, so let's see if we can close above this. If we can close above this, we can do a advanced entry. I'm going to be risking much less to that though. And right here, it looks like we have SMT here, but what do we see in EU? EU, we don't really see anything. We do have this 5-minute model one. We do have this model right over here. I'm not going to be trading the pair that. I'm not going to be trading the pair that not purchased at low. Because he gives us a delayed profile. Be a little bit accumulated. Oh, that's a 5. Right now, we accumulated throughout this whole range. Accumulation. This could be the manipulation. Then distribution, right? Accumulation over here. Manipulation here. Then expansion. Expansion. Let's see if the CRT range gonna get hit as well or not. For this one, we do already have a soup, which was at the time at 5. We got another one at 7, which is the key time. So yeah, market tapped it once. Yeah, it's going to it right now. I'm not taking that because that's my side trading zone. I want to see SMT here, so I should look at it. Yeah, this is good because we could use this as our CRT. But too, I'm not trading EURUSD because the price isn't much. It does look like a big bulky candle. That could be used as our CRT. Oh. Oh. Let's see the CRT log gets tapped into as well. Boom, that key level got tapped into. I want to be trading the pair that purges the CRT and take the trade that's off the center first. If the CRT low gets purged, I'm looking to do the 50% of that CRT as well. Oh, shit, bro. It's gonna be too much take profits, bro. I'll just break even, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Just once it goes to TP, just break even. Just right. Yeah, 50% mark already got hit. I don't need all that shit. Shit. There's a big bulky candle, so we can use it as a sensei. Goes to the 4 hour time frame. Did we have any? Did our order block? Oh yeah, that kind of disrespected. That con. Okay, so what are we going for our take profit? If it goes in our direction above, doesn't it? It's all based on probabilities, man. We're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to find out. We're gonna have to pay the price to find out. But we're de-risking. This is what we're finding out. It's not about like me being feared. It's about me finding out the reason. You know what I mean? I'm only gonna go here. I'm not gonna go to the daily, but I'm gonna go to the daily because daily is way too far away from this current price action. I'm not gonna be unrealistic with this. National goal is gonna be just these two price points. I'm gonna be going for them hourly as well because I always have. Seen the 5 minute as well because of my a. This is the 4 a.m. CRT, right? 5 a.m. Tuesday, 5 a.m. CRT. The key time approach is what? It was at 9 a.m. It's at 9:15 right now. Okay, we got the right time to purge, so this is here. So we got our key, we got our CRT, we got time to purge, we got our kilo, which is daily low. If we get a closure above this, I might look for a long here. And for that, I'm gonna go back to my numerics, but for that. Okay. No, 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 no. Want to be taking a trade the setup though. When we were taking a pair that purchase liquidity, want to be taking a pair that offer the setup for it. That's what my rule says. Even with S&T. We are in this range, but this is a timed range right over here. We want this timed range. Just wanna do a breakout, sucked out, ducked out, nigga, nigga. Eh. If I see this here ticketing purse, I'm looking for a entry here to the upside. Disrespected, I'm not looking. Play this like at the CRT low, there's a limited low there, so bearish bullish, so we're green. Bearish bullish. Fuck you. So this one gets very close. We're looking for the other one to do here. This might be inside bar. This inside bar is still good. Okay, so we might not have this 15 minutes here too. It just might be just this 5 minute model one. I'm looking to enter this model one. I'm gonna do normal works on this then. Yes, EU does look like it's much stronger, but you want to be trading the pair that purchases liquidity. Like profit's not gonna be this. It's going to be not this 50% of this, right? It's gonna be TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. This one I might just, how much is it to this? Yeah, this one I'm gonna take out 40%, 30%, 20%. As we have 40% plus 30% is 70%. If I take out 20%, then we have 90%. Then we take out the last 10% here. Seems like a game plan to me. UFC man, UFC man. Good bargaining speech. What is it? The tap frame. This low gets purged, I no longer, if this low gets purged right over here, bearish, bullish. If this low gets purged, I no longer care about this low. This auto block, I care about this something else. Is this going to be this one right over here? Purges this low. That helps it purge the low. Rejection, 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 rejection. Yep, purge out the low. Purge out the low. Please say if you can go up, back up. All right, let's see. We could do a low time opportunity entry, and then we go to the 1 minute time frame. We have 4 minutes to scan and close to see how this will close, because I don't know. That right there does not look like a real trade for me to take. Does not look like a real low. Don't look like a real low. Wait, what's the open price of this? Won't tell me, won't tell me. Go to the settings, see the price point of that. So what's the high of this opening or close of this is? Damn. That same low, so we can't count that as a low. I need another purge of liquidity. I need to be another punch. I need me. I need me, wax me. So let's see. Cause that to me does not look like a model one to me, man. Does not look like to be a legitimate low. So I'm gonna disregard that as our low. Let's see if we can close above it at least, giving us some. Probably just did an upside before. Oh, it looks like this is getting disrespected. Domestic. 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 Plastic. Plastic. Airclad. Bloodman. Not looking to extend my take profit anywhere here. I usually don't like to trade GU, but GU is the one that's presenting liquidity, man. I don't like to take. I like to protest EU over GU, but EU is not souping out the low of what GU is, so I have to go with the one that approaches the liquidity, man. I can't respect my rules, man. Rules are rules. Play with them or apply to them or get out. Okay, so this is no longer our CRT. Low time CRT, that's no longer our CRT. Our new, brandly new one is this. They just got purged. Okay. Let's see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. It goes at a 5 minute time frame. Our model one would be either from this candle closure or from this above this candle closure. We just gotta tap into that low. So now we're definitely instead of take profit from here. So now we can see the SMT was false. Price is falling down more, but you can see 1 a.m. The 1 a.m. candle got purged on this candle 1 a.m. 1 a.m. So now they said I'll take profit till all over here, right? So let's see. Go to 15 minute time frame. Let's go to 15 minute time frame. We could count this. Let's see how the restoration. It's just too much take profits, bro. We can't do that shit. Yeah, I'm just gonna count this. I'm not gonna count that. I'm just gonna count this as a take profit. That will not be our take profit because that with the SMT already got hit a couple of times. We're not an eater. Okay, we got a bearish bullish candle, so we can use our CRT. Do have his model one ready to be here. So our initial goal, which is this 5 a.m. CRT, is offering us a 1-to-1 RR. I'm not taking that 1-to-1 RR. This is our extended take profit. So our initial take profit has to be at least a 2 RR or more. This was only giving us what? 1 RR. I'm not taking that. Okay, it's going down to the monthly key level, right? What are we going down to? How are you going? Where are you going? Don't leave me, don't leave me. See if you're gonna get a candle closer above this. I'm looking to D-Rigs, but I'm looking to exit a trade. There's a stop. And all right, that looks like to be that. What is it? Above this specific candle. Okay, I'm now disregarding this candle. I'm looking with this candle. I mean, okay, be doing this. Doing this. And get away with this. Wait until the market give me some sort of ideal. We're out of here. So we got a purge of the liquidity, so we look good. All the candles are very, very so good to see this huge bullish candle. That could be it. But the CRT range gets disrespected. That ain't gonna be it. That ain't gonna be it, G. That ain't gonna be it. I'm gonna be taking one trade though. This trade goes on a loss. He goes on a loss. One trade, regardless of the outcome. Okay, we got a closure below this one. Now this one could be it. Okay, so which candle do we get closure above? This one right here. This candle went below that one. This could be the CRT, the model one entry here, because we have a bearish bullish and every candle was bearish. See, let's see. He hasn't closed above it yet. Okay, he hasn't closed above it. I don't like to do. I don't like to do. I don't like to do. The body of an order block. I like to do the. I only like to do the widths. The widths. I only like to do the week. So if I get a closure above, still have 15-minute candle. Same time. We still have 8 minutes of candle closure, so we're good for the next 8 minutes. So for our 5-minute model one, he has to go all the way above here. But for a low time HRT, does not have to. If I do see a candle closure above this, I'm looking to long that motherfucker. But I'm extremely de-risking, like to 0.10%. This is a not a model one entry, right? So I'm de-risking because it's way riskier. Okay, so this candle bearish, bullish, market super out that low, close above, so that's all the candle bearish. If you get a candle closure above this, these candle help to soup it out. Take candle closure above these ones, some on these as well. If it's only this one, oh, okay, that one as well. Okay, 6.6. I'm in that trade. Boom. This candle's helped it close above 836. Red is so crazy. Push me up hella. Damn. The right management. This goes on loss, but we're extremely de-risking on this trade. I'm gonna take a one trade position regardless of the outcome. Profit is where? 334. 28. $28. This is 1.28334. 1.2883. Okay. Entry is at what? 7907. 79. Entry is pretty crazy though. 7907. 70. 7907. 7907. Okay. Sell stop is right here. So if he goes there, he goes there. If he doesn't go there, he doesn't go there. I'm in the trade. I'm gonna take a one trade. So this, I'm not taking this 5-minute model one. We do have this 5-minute model one right here. I'm gonna take a one trade. Because I don't wanna be over trading, right? That's a big problem in the industry. I don't wanna be doing that problem. TP1 is right over here. So it looks like we're getting closure above. So TP1 is gonna be right over here. I'm gonna take out 40%. I'm gonna take out 30%. I'm gonna take out 10%, 10%, 10%. Well, so to this take profit, how much are we going for? A 2 RR. So yeah, that's still that's good enough. If it does go on a loss, it does go on a loss. But we are here to take action. But we're extremely de-risking. That's a good part. So we could take more trades, right? Rather than take a 1% whole trade, then lose, and emotion kicks in so hard that you might just mess up a lot. Right? You might just go on big ass drawdown. Right now I'm forward testing on my boy low time T. So I do need this bad boy. I need to learn this because this is a really important one in my model. I like this one the most out of every entry out of there. This does close above, but we did have an entry here, so we are good. Let's see if we can get a closure above. If we can get closure above, this could be a bonus time for me. If we can get a bullish closure above and get a create this 5-minute model one, that would be really bullish for me. Because I'm not trading this one because this is look like to be S&T, but this is not offering us a 1 to 2 RR for the initial take profit. It should be a quick trade to a stop or to the TP. It should be a quick trade. So let's see if we can get a pump up there. Let's see if we can get a push right back up. If not, it will go on a loss. High likely. Because the only way it could, potentially give us a higher probability is if you can close it below inside the zone. But we already had our entry. We had an advanced entry beforehand, so that's why we entered the trade. See, 1 minute and 30 seconds. See, 1 minute. We could do two things here. We could consolidate and give us a model 1, or we could just pump up here, or we could just dump down here and just give us this loss. Oh yeah. Yep. Right, model 1. So 30 seconds, okay, 34 seconds. Let's see if we're gonna get a cancel closure above it. It takes 34 seconds. I'm only taking one trade. If this goes on a loss, it goes on a loss. But here to test it out. Okay, so it did not close above. It did not close above it, inside of it, inside that CRT range. But did have an advanced entry, so this could go. It could definitely go on a loss easily because it did not close the side of it. Did not have that confirmation. But it could also give us consolidate and give us that model 1 entry there. I'm not gonna take any more trading in one trade. That's gonna be it. Then I'm just gonna let that price play. Come back later on and see how price is moving from there on. A really bad entry as well here. We could get a model 1 entry here, or we could do confirmation with a model 1. If we get a model 1 here, there could be a confirmation here. If we don't, this is gonna be a loss. And as well, if the 8 a.m. cannot get disrespected, we're looking for a 15-minute model 1 instead of a 5 minute. So it's definitely gonna be in a huge bracket. You can get a push down or push up. Let's see if we can get a push back up or we can get a loss here. Yep, looks like it. Consolidating, big thing could happen, big move, big brr. Let's see how he reacts in the hourly time frame, because that's what matters now. As this, oh yeah, this he's gonna get disrespected now, huh? Okay, so we're not looking to go for this or take profit anymore since he gets respected. Okay, so now we're looking for a go for this is 15 minutes here as he does not require a 5 minute. Okay, 4 hours. Okay, we can look for 15-minute model one. We could get a closure above this and get a model. Not, it is what it is. Is what it is. Now I'm not looking at 5 minute no more. I'm looking at the 15 minute. Let's see if we get a I'll stop with TP. I'm happy with both. I'm happy with either. Either. Grateful, man. I'm still let the trade right to sell stop or TP. Illegal. Top loss hit. Especially success. Six. Yep. I think I had my drone look literally wrong. But yeah. The drone look is still bearish, right? Let me say it. External, back, external, here. Right. Photo flaws. Bearish. Yeah, okay. Shit. I'm not gonna be taking any more trade. Even with the other CRT, I'm gonna come back later. With the Model 1, I'm just gonna come back later and see that Model 1 happen or not. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. If it happens, it happens. So this is my trade recap of a extremely small loss. It was a 0.1%, 0.10% risks, right? I was risking $50. And yeah, it was a loss right over here. You can see loss market went up. And the 15 time frame, it was a low time frame here to entry. I was trying to wait for this low average here to close above, so I could get that confirmation that the market wants to give us a little bit of momentum to the upside. But no, boom. The drone located the high time frame bias looks like to be bearish, right? The high time frame drone located looks like to be bearish. Market is pushing down. I think I have my high time frame box is wrong, right? So I might have to recheck that. I might have to go use IRL, right, as my bias, and use CRT paired with that, blend it with a CRT. But yeah, this is my trade recap. Small loss, very extremely small loss. $50, $56 loss, right? It was with with the commission and stuff. $6 loss. I had a little. I risked a little bit 0. I risked like 0.1 lot above. Sure, I'm not done, but next time I'm not gonna do it, right? But yeah, this is a trade recap. Have my little CRT entry over here, and for my 5-minute Model 1, it never represented itself. The 5-minute Model 1, the 5-minute Model number 1 was never there. Neither the 15-minute, which is a low time CRT. If the 15-minute Model 1 does happen, I'm going to not take it because I already took my trade for the day. But I'm definitely gonna see it and I'm approved, right? So what did we learn from today? Is that my high time frame bias is wrong, right? My high time frame bias is wrong to me. It looks like to be is wrong, right? So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Hey,